Today's video is not brought to you by In-N-Out Burger, but if it was, we'd love to have In-N-Out Burger here in Phuket. More about that later, but now we're going to go to the top beaches in the world as rated by TripAdvisor. Hi there guys, Sean here from 5-Star Marine with Jay!
Hello, I'm Jay. But wait!
Jay, you're straight back from In-N-Out Burger.
I was about to say, thank you very much, John, for our In-N-Out Burger t-shirts. They're very nice. I like the fact you got me an extra large one.
If anyone knows anyone in In-N-Out Burger, we want to pop up here in Phuket.
Yes, please.
Jay and I will personally go and buy every burger.
Have you ever had an In-N-Out Burger?
No, that's why I'll buy everyone.
How do you know they're good?
Oh, everyone says they're the best burger in the US, and the US is known for its burgers. You run a burger competition.
I do. Phuket's best burger.
You have
Burger
some authority on this.
23rd of March, Saturday.
Best burger in Phuket is what? Well, you can't say that before the event. You're going to wait until after.
I can tell you one of the previous winners was Prime Burger in Phuket, which is a really good burger. It's a smash burger. Very good.
Okay, but away from burgers, because we are actually talking about the best things. This video today, we're going to talk about TripAdvisor's top 10 beaches in Asia. We can't say the world because unfortunately this year Thailand didn't make the top 10 in the world.
No, it did, because about 2 weeks ago we did a video which possibly hadn't come out now.
No, it was another website.
Okay, well last year we did a video
on... It was another website.
So Koh Kradan.
We have to do a post. Here it is. Jay's going to do the 5-Star Marine's top 10 beaches in Phuket. There you go. You should do that. That'd be awesome.
Well, we'll do that in a minute then.
But what we're going to do right now is that we're going to give you the ones that in Phuket that made the top 10.
Okay.
We're not going to give the ones that aren't because Jay threw away his notes and we can't say it.
No, I don't know about the top 10 around the world, but the one in Asia was a beach in Indonesia. It's called Kling Klang.
And the number 2 ranked beach was one here in Phuket, and we got a little bit confused because there are 2 banana beaches in Phuket.
I think there's actually 3 banana beaches.
Really?
Yeah, I think there's one down here somewhere as well. In Patong area, there's a banana beach. So there's a banana beach somewhere here. There's a banana beach up here. But there's also, and we believe this is the one because of the picture on the website showed, this one, which is Coral Island Banana Beach, one of my favourite beaches in the whole wide world. What it is now.
Jay loves to snorkel at Coral.
I think, and you'll hear me say this a lot, I think that Coral Island is a very...
You ranked Coral Island as number 4 or 3 in your top 4 places to snorkel.
I think it was number 2 or 3.
Yeah. So you do love this island.
I know, I think it's great.
How many times did you personally vote for it?
I don't use TripAdvisor, if I have to be honest with you.
Really?
Yeah. Sorry, TripAdvisor, I just don't... I'm a Google guy.
All right, so we're going to say Banana Beach or Coral Island. And Banana Beach is a beach on Coral Island. There are multiple beaches on Coral Island.
But that is the best one.
That got ranked number 2.
Can I just say, the snorkeling, you can directly snorkel straight from the beach. It's got rock pools, both at the ends.
They have birds as well.
They have the hornbills, yes. Everyone likes a bit of a hornbill.
And they do the zip lining now. I didn't know that.
And they've got a swing. You can swing out. There's like an Instagram
Lucas
thing.
went there the other day with Nando.
It's very cool.
They went zip lining.
Cool. Good job, Nan Chops.
Thank you, Nando. And then in the top 10, they also ranked Harn Beach, which is just here.
I don't mean to be negative, Sean, because it's not like us to be negative on a video about best beaches in the world, but Harn Beach, really?
Yeah, look,
it's nice.
Jay and I talked about this before we filmed in a previous cut of this video, that there are other beaches that we think should have been on this list. For example, for me, Lemhat Beach is beautiful.
Yes.
Konok, which is just here, not even on the map. That's also beautiful. Obviously, your favourite.
Maya Bay.
And then over here, Koh Kradan as well.
Which was voted last year as the best beach in the whole world.
Then even you can go out to Donald Duck Bay at Similan. You can go to Surin, which has got beautiful beaches. I was personally at Kalak the other day. Very beautiful beach right in front of the, what's the name of that resort?
Pullman.
That was a very beautiful beach. Look, we are not going to bag you out TripAdvisor because we love you. We love TripAdvisor.
You're amazing, TripAdvisor.
We do disagree with Harn. Okay, we can give you Banana Beach. We can give you that one. But Harn, maybe.
Shark here, YouTube host, Jay the Shark, out. Again, that might be quite windy. You probably can't hear me very well.
And we're back. Sorry, my phone just freaked out. It was upset because we were talking about Harn Beach, but I'm just not sure.
So look, there's a lot of websites that do rankings on the best beaches in the world and the best beaches in Phuket.
But surely it's popularity.
It's based on how people vote on it. As people who live here, if you're looking for the top 10 beaches in Phuket, we're going to drop a link in the description because we're going to give you our top 10.
Are we?
Yes.
Well, why don't I do a whole movie about it?
No, let's do that. Let's drop that link in the description. But for those of you who love TripAdvisor, certainly take the Banana Beach recommendation. It is a nice, easy, kind of half-day, family day kind of beach to go to.
It's got a lovely restaurant on it as well.
It does, yes.
Yeah.
But Nehan, we're not certain about that.
But I think this all comes down to the amount of people that go there then fill in the reviews.
Yeah,
and it's a very popular beach, so people will say, you know, we had a great time there. And you will have a great time there. It's lovely.
And we prefer to go to the very beautiful beaches that are not so popular.
Absolutely.
That's what we specialise in here at 5-Star Marine and In-N-Out Burger.
We like In-N-Out Burger, apparently.
Yes.
Still never had one.
So if you have any questions, if you disagree with TripAdvisor or us, drop a comment below, like and subscribe. I'm out, Jay.
Is that it?
That's it.
It's a lot shorter than the first video we filmed.
We can't put that one out ever.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and go and check out. I'll put the link to the TripAdvisor of the top 10 beaches around the whole world and Asia. Thanks for watching. Bye.